Say hi.
Hi.
What's up, everybody? We're going Father's Day fishing with the crew. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi. Say hi. There you go. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
I'm here too.
And what are we going to do first? What's the first thing we're doing?
Timbers.
No. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Stores.
And what are we going to pick at the store?
One lure
For what?
for Dada to use and catch.
So every single person is going to pick one little cheap lure for us to use, and we have to go catch something on. Are you ready? Say, let's go!
Let's go.
What's your favorite part about today? Is it Tiff Farms? Or is it going to be donuts or fishing? What's your favorite? Both?
Yeah.
There was 3 there. Okay. What's going to be your favorite thing about today?
Donuts and fishing.
Donuts and fishing. Oh. Do you only care about the donuts, man?
No.
Is donuts all you care about? Is donuts all you care about? Gabby, what about you? What's going to be your favorite part about today? Timbits?
Yeah, and donuts.
Well, that is donuts. Well, at least she's honest. At least she's honest. Shut up.
Stop touching it. You're as bad as the kids.
I hung up. I made a phone call with the wall today. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, it's the loud tunnels.
Oh my God. Wow, this thing is long. Yeah. That's a big one.
Full fishing right this minute?
Yeah.
Monkey?
Yeah.
Oh.
How do you like zoom in? I can't zoom into it.
Alright, this is where we're fishing. First cast. How far did you get it? I didn't even see. Literally, you could just reel that straight in. I think you literally casted it into a snag. Here, hold on. Yeah, so there's a snag literally right in front of you here.
Oh man. Well, where is there not a snack? Yeah.
Alright, so with this guy, want to just put them right out towards the water. Waterfall would be the best. Walk out the water, look, like this. Alright, I gotta get my rod set up. My rod. She just said she had a giant fish. That's my lure. That's what I caught a bass with the other day. We'll see what we get. No, Alex. Hold on, bud. What? Almost? Almost? Alright. Go ahead, try again.
That fish right there.
Here, watch out. Alright, you stand over there by Alex. You try over there real quick. Do you see what kind of fish or no?
Probably like a bass. It looks kind of like a bass and it's right here.
Reel in.
Hi, Alex, the cameraman. from 2024. My dad. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Are you recording Sun's vlog? Alex. Is it hot?
Hot. Pretend we're on the street and pretend this is a bus. We moving. I didn't put my scanner.
Why? It's just the water. She claims that she's a foot shorter than her. Let's get real close. Let's get okay. Okay, so where my knuckles are to her ear, she's claiming that this is a foot. So apparently my hand's a foot long. This is a foot long, y'all.
I've met.
Catch up to her. Oh. Go ahead, you're good. Tip farm fishing. Tip farm fishing. Tip farm fishing. All right, we got Father's Day. We got a Father's Day gift. Look it. Go ahead, Noah. A little bit better next time. We're gonna open this. See what we got. What we get. So we are going to open Father's Day mystery box and use lures that they all bought for me. Kids are getting yelled at. They're not listening. It's been a long day, very eventful day, but today's video is going to be all about Father's Day fishing with this. And all the kids trying to catch something. It is extremely packed. At Tiff Farms today, like overly packed. It is ridiculous. Gabby's trying to get a sneak peek. She got a rock. Oh. All right, so let's open. You can shorten it if you're going to be camera guy. What?
Where's my cup?
Don't choke Gabby.
Oh, that's top water. That's a whopper plopper, right?
Oh, Gabby. You're missing the stuff up here. Come here.
And me mine.
You guys can come up here real quick. Our spot's right there. Noah's fishing like a champ. So we got some top water. This actually will help here, even though I'm gonna be pulling seaweed. Got another chatterbait. This one's Googan Squad chatterbait. I've never used the Googan Squad chatterbait. Not gonna be good for here, but we got it. We got a jig that says it's weedless, but I know Tiff Farms. We got some trailers for said jig or chatterbait, so we're good with that. And then we got, of course, some stickers and stuff, but I am gonna use what Gabby's gonna like. Hey Gabby, come here. Think I should use this one?
What?
Think I should use this one?
What?
Should I use that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want
Let
mine.
me see how much weeds it picks up, and then I'll let you know if you can do it. Some baits. We got this. Again, gonna be hard to do here. It's extremely crowded and we're tucked in the weeds.
Alex took that one.
Yeah, but we'll try. I love like jerk baits. Would have been better at the other spot. I don't know what the hell this one is. This one was picked out by the wife. It lights up at night. We'll continue. Angela picked one out. We threw it at the other spot. Kids were being bad. Got snagged immediately. This one Noah picked, right?
Yes.
All right, so this one is, I forget what the name are these. This is the most aggressive spinnerbait I've ever seen.
Logan picked up.
Gabby, hold on, we got one more. Gabby picked out this spinnerbait. All right, we're gonna fish. I'm gonna strap on the chest one and just fish. Not gonna be a lot of chatting. I'm gonna use a little bit of all the baits. Deuces. This should be a weedless rig since the worm is hooked to where it's gonna keep all the salad from grabbing your hook. It should slide off of it. So you got a little slipping bullet weight there. There you go. You are weedless. All right. I'm not sure that this is the best play, but I really like this lure. I think it'll work good. Weather doesn't say that it matches. Cutting off the tag. You always cut off the tag. Well, it's got 2 spinners on there. All right, let's see how this works. Alex got it out. Oh yeah?
Mine's way too small.
That's their stuff behind you, so watch out.
Why do I always get up?
Because you gotta get used to it. You're still new at it, bud. Look at dragonflies right there. There's fish everywhere over here. They're just overly fished, which means they're used to it. This is gonna catch so much seaweed. Look at this. See? Seaweed. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll cook.
Is hungry. Want some salad. Whoa! That was a salad. I didn't get anything.
Yeah, you are completely weedless. There's no way that weeds will get on you.
To get what?
On your frog. Your frog is completely weedless. You will not get any seaweed.
Looks like mine did. Well,
You gotta fix the hook then.
My frog can still get stuck in seaweed.
Well, it didn't caught on the hook, it caught on the top, on this little thing. Because the hook's not sticking out.
My frog's not catching any fish. Because I'm making
Oh, don't move this
too
guy.
fast.
I like this little topwater guy. I know it's like not the time to do topwater, but that cast. Did you fix your worm?
What are you doing? Look at Logan!
Dada's taking this off because it is good, but it's not going to work here right now. It's not the best thing for right now. This is going to be Dada's new favorite topwater lure.
I found the good spot for little fish.
Why, you found little fish?
Yeah, I found a bunch of them, and they keep like chasing it, but not wanting it. So they
Okay.
probably want the worm.
Yep, you're going to get the worm. Don't worry about that.
I want this thing.
They're really little fish.
They're like probably like little sunfish.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you what's called a clasp. They're really little.
Yeah, they're pretty little. Aren't sunfish one of your favorite fish?
Yep, because they're super easy to catch. And then you use them for bait. They make really good bait because you know what eats?
I could
You
give it.
killed
I
them,
could
or
give
do
it
you
to
actually,
you.
or do you?
I killed them.
The blue.
How could you?
Oh, you monster.
Well, I am the king. No, you're a monster. Remember when me and you used to always say this? Mom, oh sweetie, don't listen to the songs, it'll make you cry. Mom, songs don't make me cry. You do!
Guys are goofballs.
It's a little inside joke that we
Yep.
always say all the time.
Okay, ready?
Just saw the bunch of fish that over there, and we're setting up a special thing just for those fish. He's like, ah, don't stab me.
I'm stabbing through everything in you. You want to rip like that? You're going through everything. So now that that's on there good, now
Are you still scared of worms?
Not that bad.
Hold on. You're not done yet. Okay, so you're gonna kind of toss them outside of the seaweed. You don't want to launch it past the seaweed, okay? So come here, bring me that line. I'm gonna get, I guarantee Lala catches a fish really fast.
Okay.
So go watch. I forgot to grab bobbers, so it's a little rough right now, but we'll figure it out.
Casting right now.
Look, ready? Here, watch. Flick. Right there. That's all it needs to be. That's it. Where are they?
Right here.
Okay. Right here? Dude, you got one. Oh. Yep. Ready? And oh, that's a little tiny guy, huh?
Yeah, that little guy.
Go ahead. I'm about to get that sunfish right here. Ready? And that's one. Logie.
That's the guy that I kept seeing.
Got one.
That little guy keeps almost getting it.
Want to touch him? Oh.
No, he's dirty.
It's okay. There you go. Touch him. Boop. Look at Gabby. I got a fish. You want to touch him? Good. Ooh. You can wipe it on your dress. Alex, look. Whoa. See, Noah?
Get fish. Thank you.
You.
Thank you.
Ready? There. You'll feel it. Just wait. We're doing weightless worms. Let me see, buddy. I want to reel in a little bit. So they were all over. Oh, I see one. Come here, Logie.
The same one you caught.
Logie, come here. Reel yours in. Stop right there. Stop literally right there. Wait. Wait. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Take my rod. Hurry up, take it. Stop moving. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go.
Oh, this guy's kind of.
This guy's a bigger one. Bring it to me. Let some line out, please. This one's bigger. Look it. You want to catch one, Gabby?
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
Hold on. Let me get a hold of him.
I'm trying to dig off. I'm trying to dig off.
All right, go ahead. Oh, this one got bit. Go ahead, touch. Touch. I don't want you to touch the blood on his tail. He got bit by something. See that?
Yeah.
No, are you good with touching it? All right, Gabby. Not over here, please.
I got.
Yeah, we got our sunfish spot here.
Okay, don't know when that went out. We've been catching sunfish. That is what we're doing. We're doing it very effectively. Monkey, please take your rod back. Thank you.
I almost got a piece of
All right, ready? All right, I'm putting your rod down. There's a school of sunfish now. I got a little tiny nub of a worm on there. I'm gonna catch another one in like 2 seconds. And boop. Sunfish. Let's see. Yep, pumpkin seed. You can see it on his ear. Sorry, this angle is pretty high up. Oh, and he jumped out of my hand. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. All right. First fish drop of the year confirmed. Make sure you close the cooler bag. Here comes another one. Ready? So easy to fish at Tiff Farms. I love it. 3, 2. Oh, there's a big sunfish following that. There's a huge sunfish down there. I'm gonna catch the big guy. I want the perch. Give me the perch. Give me the perch. Give me the perch. Give me the perch. All right, there's like a little tiny like suckerfish thing over here. I don't know what kind of fish he is.
Placo?
I don't know. Look. Oh, there's another one of those suckerfish. Watch, ready, watch. Here comes a fish.
This fish is very unsure. He's like,
Damn it.
I got a rock out of the ground.
Nice. He's nibbling, he's nibbling, he's nibbling, and I lost him. Yeah, I think that's like a suckerfish thing because I can't hook them. You can see that dot right there. That's my line, and this little tiny like sucker looking fish guy just comes and he just nibbles on my stuff. But I'm gonna have to give these fish a little bit more worm to work with here, else they're not gonna keep taking what I got.
this fish is so unsure. He's like standing there. He's sitting.
All right, well then recast it. Like reel it in or something. Give it a little bit of movement. No, it's not that it's unsure. It knows what you're doing. Ready, watch. They just like quick reaction. And then they hit. Got a perch. Oh, I almost had the perch. Perch is looking at mine. Perch is still looking at mine.
Dig, dig.
Gotta throw it again. They're all in front of us.
Check it out from over. Nope, that is the back. We're gonna have to do that side.
Got him that time. Look at Noah. That's a fat perch.
Whoa!
Real fat.
Perch.
Dirt,
Just the flick method. If you want to fish at Tiff Farms, you just, oh, you little punk.
dirt.
You do a pick method. You just, I'm in a flick method. You just flick the bait in. If they don't want it, flick it in again. If they don't want it,
What did he do?
his gill plate is sharp. You know what? That's why people eat you.
I don't think the Muffin Man lives in Tiff Farms. He lives on Julie Ridge.
Flick. Flick.
Just. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Oh, he let go on that. All right, why are we singing the Muffin Man now?
He used to kill children, always fun, always suffering. Muffin is Muffin.
Oh, he's looking, he's looking.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
That fish is a pain in my butt.
You see the little circles of rocks? That means he's bedding there. That's where he's trying to make babies.
That exact fish is a pain in my butt.
He's the one that's sitting in front of you.
Because I literally can't see.
I can see it. They're still thinking about it. Give it a wiggle. Oh, you spooked them both. But you want to get eaten alive? Come here.
Yeah, I want to get eaten alive.
Look at our old little spot here. Look at all of them.
Oh my gosh. There's
Ready?
a lot of big jimmies.
I'm gonna hook them. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it one more time.
There's a few little jimmies in here though.
We have no little wormy.
Oh, come on, Gerald. Hurry
Look at that bird right there.
Yeah, those
Very
are
odd parents.
Like that bird, Noah? That bird has red wings.
Did you see that big one?
All right, you ready?
Really big one that
Monkey.
gobbles up the big fish.
I'm gonna cast it right where it needs to be. All you. Just lift straight up and then reel. Wait. Lift. All right, stop. Let it drop. Let it drop. Wait for it. Wait for it. You should feel a bump. Lift. There you go. There you go. That's a big boy. What's his name?
Jimmy.
Oh, this is Big Jimmy?
Yeah. We caught another big Jimmy.
Okay, Big Jimmy. All right, Jimmy. You're a fighter. Yep. Don't rip your lip off, please. All right, Jimmy. Big Jimmy. You ripped your lip off. You want your lip back?
Where's his lip?
It fell in the water. Go ahead. Cast right dead ahead.
We're floating.
That's actually really cool.
Ready? Lift. Oh, a little too hard. Not so much of a. You're yanking it right out of their mouth. Okay. Literally, you let it sit, and then watch. See, look at that big guy. He's looking. See how he's chewing on it. Relax. Just
He just fought at the other guy.
yeah. Literally, you just. Okay, so they're bedding really bad in front of us, and they keep spooking the other fish away. So that is what's happening. Tighten. I don't even know where you are. All right, then pull.
Oh, you throwing flowers.
Reel. Yep, bump it again. Now hold still. One's coming right down for you.
He's bloody mouthed.
That is because you went through his nose.
Oh, I'm sorry, little guy.
It's rule of the trade. Oh wow, he's a slimy motherfucker.
Should I slime guy?
Okay, touch him. Be free. Be free. Alright. I could see my bait out there.
If I catch a bloody fish, then I know who I caught. Caught little Timmy. Got one looking at him.
Nice, back to back. Look at you.
This one is not little Timmy. He's got some pink on his belly. Stop flicking water on my eyes.
This ain't little Timmy, then what's his name?
This is John.
Dude, he's really round. He's a round boy. Look at that
This is
boy.
Big fat John.
This big old Johnny, huh? You
He's
be
not
nice.
really putting up that much of a
You be
fight.
nice. I be nice. You be nice.
He's actually like not.
Oh,
putting
it's
up much.
really close to his eyeball.
We need more line right now.
Big John,
Hey, John.
right there.
About to catch a bait one.
Oh, that's a
that's actually a
big
pretty
boy.
bigger one.
Oh yeah.
This is an orange one.
This is. I think this is just a regular whole bluegill.
Really orange. Really little orange guy.
Okay, I can see him right over there. We just stop. We just stop. We just stop. Remember, you be nice, I be nice, right? Boop.
Yeah, those people were definitely looking for bigger game if they didn't find any fish because there's a lot of food.
You just gotta fish small tackle to catch small fish. That's the point. Keep going for big fish. You're only gonna catch one, maybe two. If you fish middle to small, you'll catch a bunch. Then you use middle to small to catch the bigger ones. If you're bait fishing. We were doing lure at the start.
that's probably why we didn't catch much.
Well, this is Tiff Farm is very seaweed heavy.
Very, very, very.
So what you do with that is you wait and you just bait fish. Lure fishing, you can do top water, but that's not the time of day to do that. All right, so only back if anything big happens with this pole. Yep, that's where we were catching all the bluegill. Yep. Now look, the water used to be all the way up to here where we're standing.
Ew! Ew, what is that?
Yucky. What is that on the trail?
A deer. It's a deer.
Yeah, walk slowly. Okay. Come on. Just reel in.
I reel in and then they let go.
All right, hold on. Another Sean. This one's not a pumpkin seed though. This is just the normal bluegill? Question mark. Let me know down in the comments what type of bluegill have we caught today. I know we've caught more than one kind. I have a feeling. Yep, I knew he was gonna do it as soon as I went to get that hook out. Oh, there we go. There you go. Live. Be free. Nothing. I'll reset it again. Whoop-ah. There you go. Drop, 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 drop. Lift. Nope. Lift. There you go. See? That's all you got to do is just lift it out of the water. Oh, and look at it. He'll unhook himself and let himself go all in one go. No hands needed. Just look at that. Counted. It hit the bank. It hit the bank. It counted.
It's the bedfish.
Nope. Reset. Go. Again. Boom. That's a cool bird.
Guys, look at what's a giant rock.
Got him. Monkey, do you want another worm? All day, every day. If I had to catch something smaller, I would use it for bait, but she's like, I know what I saw.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I see some life dead ahead. Right there. Come on.
Scratch some. Scratch down.
There's life in that seaweed bed. And I got one. Monkey, I'm telling you, use the worm. To get what? Uh-oh. Yeah, he ate it pretty deep. There we go. That's why I like using the clasp for small fish, because it stops them from absolutely inhaling the hook. Feels like there's other line in here. Ah, there you go. Yeah. Huh? chilling, trying to get our worms.
Can I cast over here?
Go ahead. Hey, monkey, that is bait. That is bait. All right, hold on, give him a little dip.
Head up? Yeah.
New bait. Hey, Noah, like my bait? Yeah, wait till those, there you go.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe or else I'll kill you.
Okay, we can't put that on YouTube. That doesn't make it. We probably had to censor that. Say bye-byes.
Bye.